What's going on, you guys? Started a little late because you know, I was just picking up my bow. I just had to do some little repairs on the bow. Had a little crack in the bow side underneath the bow, so on the keel side. So I was able to pick up the boat today and you know, just put it into the test right now. But you know, like, it's 10 o'clock, start a little late, but hey man, it's never too late to start fishing and just like be on the water right now. So we're gonna try to catch some fish, see what happens, you guys. Last time there was a bunch of shads happening. I caught a couple of shads and I was using live shads, so I caught a couple of bass doing that. But we're gonna do the same as that category. We're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna go to the same spots that we saw all those shads, and we're gonna try to catch them. So stay tuned, you guys. It's gonna be a good one. All right, see if there's any shads around here. Yeah, it's kind of windy over here, so it's gonna be hard to see them. Oh, got some. Yes, there they are. Yes. Got some. Fuck yeah. All right, guys, we're able to catch some shads in there. Only a little bit, but these shads are tough to catch, but we're able to catch a couple. And all right, so now we caught a couple. It's time to fish. Been trying to catch that for 2 hours, and yeah, I'm all beat up. These shads are harder today than it's hard to catch these shads. So, and this is my first time. You know, it's not too bad. I'm using the I just got the shad net yesterday, and so far it's doing pretty well for me. So I'm pretty happy about the purchase. And use this kind of dead one for a little bit. But let's see if we can catch something. Since this place is pretty shallow, I'm just not going to use split shot. 6 pound test right here with a little mosquito hook, owner mosquito hook. And I'm just going to fly line this thing. Let's try to catch something. Oh, uh-oh. Put it in the water real quick. See if we can catch something right here. Nothing right here, so I'm just gonna throw it right in this rock. It's kind of like pretty much ocean fishing, pretty much. It's like the same thing. You fly line that guy, and this thing, it will just, the shad will just been swimming, and then once it freaks out, oh, you got it. Oh, something grabbed it. Oh, you came off. Darn. Oh. Probably a small guy. Smaller one. Alright. Okay. Let's see if we can catch another one. And just... Oh. I need it. Something grabbed it. Looks like a small one though. Yeah, there's a small one. Smallmouth. Small one. Oh, he engulfed that freaking thing. Alright. Small guy. We don't want to look for the small ones. We want to look for the giants. I'll bite right now. There we go. There we go. As soon as it hit the water. There's a bunch of fish right here then. First cast right there. And I got one. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. It's a good one. Ooh, or maybe find like a smallmouth. Oh, get on the other side. Let's go. Oh no, you got me hung on something. Oh no. There we go, got him out. Got him out. Get up here. Oh, a smallmouth, really nice smallmouth. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah. That's the kind we need right there. That's the kind that we've been looking for. Damn, took a while, but finally got one on the board. A pretty decent one. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice one. 1 pounder. 1.5. There we go. Yes. Yes. There we go. Took a while, man. Took a while, but we got one. Threw it right there, and that smallmouth wanted that, like instant, just instant bite. Holy smokes! So we're gonna stay right here now. Clearly, there's bigger fish around here. See if we can get another one like that. See, right there. Oh yeah, there he goes. Did he drop it? There we go. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, there we go. We found them. Oh yeah. We found them. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a good largie. Look at that one. That is a fat largie. Let me get my net for this guy. Don't go over there. Don't you dare go over there. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh my God. This is a good largie. That's a fat largie. That's a good largemouth. Come up here. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, come up here. Come up here. Oh, come up here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, there we go. That's a 3-pounder. Woohoo! Now that's a 3-pounder. Look at that largie. Look at that largie. Woo, 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 woo. That is a fat largie right there. Maybe they're pushing, maybe close to 3. Look at that, you guys. Look at that one. Is a good sized largie right there. I'm gonna give her away. Get her back in the water. .91, almost a 3-pounder. Whew. Nice fish. That's so cool. That is so cool. Oh, I saw that bass taking the line like that. That was awesome. See you later. Woo! There we go. Yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Took all, man, went to 3 different areas and they were just right over here. I'm just gonna use it all. All right, let's catch another one. Let's do that again. Just right here, dude. Just right there. 2.91 and then a 1.5 pound smallmouth. Bigger ones are here. There've been bigger ones all day. Oh, another one grabbed it already. Yeah, another one grabbed it. There we go. That was a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Just get out for that freaking rocks. Oh, get out of those rocks. Oh, he's rubbing me in the rocks right now. Damn it. Get out of there. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. That's another big one. Oh, he's like rubbing me on the rocks right now. Oh, darn it. Shoot. Come on, darn it. There we go. Ugh. Get him out of there. There we go. Oh, he's right here already. That's a big largie. Boom! Boom! Lord have mercy. Woo! Oh my God. See this? Whew, that's a fat one. Look at that largie. That's a 4-pounder all day long. Oh, damn, it got me wrapped on the weeds. Look at that one. Woohoo! Now that, now that right there, you guys, is a 4-pounder. Woo! Oh, damn, man, that's awesome. He was rubbing the rocks on me right now. Got him out. God damn, man, that was a fighter. Woo, look at that guy. Look at that guy. Let's see this guy out. Man, this is a 4-pounder. All right, let's take it away on her. Oh, sorry, 3-pounder. That was a 4-pounder. It looks like a 4-pounder. Whew. That was awesome. Whew. Now that is a fat largie, man. You've been eating good right now over here. Look, God, found the big ones. Hell yeah. Whew. See you later, bud. See you later, fat girl, you. Woo! Now that's what you come out here for, boys. Now that's what you come out here for. Man. Whoever not done like shad fishing, throwing live shads, you guys need to do it, man. It's so much fun. So much fun. It's like ocean fishing, man. It's like me doing yellowtail fishing, throwing live bait, throwing live sardines, and man, getting results like that, that's awesome, man. All right, let's go get another one of that. Whew. Oh man, that's fun. See if we can get another one. It's so crazy how shallow these bass are. Like I'm throwing in like a foot of water and these bass are just right here, just kicking it. Oh yeah, there we go, there he goes. There we go, another one. Oh, it's another good one. Oh, it's a smallmouth. Smallmouth. Hell yeah. Woohoo! That's awesome. Another one, you guys. Oh yeah, come on. Oh, get up here, Smalley. Come up here. Come up here. Oh yeah, get over here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn. Damn, I got you good. Got you real good. All right, there we go. Another small one. Oh, that was fun. We got one more bait left. And that's all we have left now. So we gotta make this one count. Yep, that is the last one. Oh, it's the cat. That's the cast. Oh yeah. Let him eat it, let him eat it. There we go. That's so much fun. Oh, oh damn. That's a largie. Largie, largie, largie. Another good sized one. Another decent sized one. Oh, not like that net. Oh, there we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn. The hook just came off. Smaller one, but still fun. Yes. There we go. Ah, all right. See if we can catch more shads. I have no more bait fish now. No more shads with me. But that was fun stuff. That's fun. That is fun. Okay. All right, back to work. Back to catching, trying to catch some shads. All right, we caught a little more shads right here. It's getting low, it's getting more in the evening time, so it's gonna get a little late, so let's just go to the spot and just catch some fish. That took a lot of work, and there's so much shads just right here, so they're everywhere right here. But we're just gonna go to the spot and let's catch some fish. All right. Last one. You guys get anything yet? You know, a couple little ones? Yeah, dude, right here. Right in this rock. Darn. Small one. Trying to eat my bait right now. Oh, there he goes. All right, these are too small now. Small one. All right, we're gonna go back to that area because I saw giants in there. So we're gonna go back over there. Okay. Saw like really good sized fish, like 3.5 pounders, 4 pounders, just laying around, like kicking it around this cove because there's so much shad right there. So it's just been kicking it right next to the algae bloom. So that's why I came over here, because I was like, the other side over there, just right there, there's only small ones. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna go for the small ones. I worked way too hard to catch these shad, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna catch these guys right here. There's so many big ones right here, so we're gonna try to catch these guys. I have this algae bloom going on around here, so I'm gonna throw a bobber so that way that shad cannot go inside those algae blooms so easily. So I'm just gonna throw just a bobber, and just to keep the shad on the float, so those bass could just grab it and the shad doesn't dig you inside the weeds. So that's why you see me throwing this bobber right here, so the shad doesn't get you inside those weeds. So able to catch these guys just right there, man, right there. Okay, let's try that again. There's one bass that eats it, that means there's gonna be more and they're gonna get fired up. So you want to throw it back out there. You want to make sure. Oh, see what I mean? Oh yeah, just gonna let him eat it. Just gonna let him eat it. There we go. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's so much fun. It's a good one too. It's a good one. It's a good one. That was a big blow up. Oh man. So sick. Oh, that was so cool. Look at that. Yep, those are the bass I've been seeing over here. That's what I'm telling you guys. Once you get one fired up, these guys will get fired up. So there's gonna be more in there. They're gonna get fired up right now. Let's get this guy in here. Look at that, bro. Look at that, man. 3 pounder right here all day. Nice 3 pounder. Oh yeah. Woo. Don't you go away from me. Don't you. Oh my god. He doesn't want to give up yet. I'll grab my net, but it's just all tangled up on my other one. I have no time Yeah. That's so cool. Just to see him blow up on top like that. Dude, that is so awesome. Oh man, that's a 3-pounder all day. Like there, you guys. That's so cool. The whole blow up and everything. That's awesome. That is so cool. I'm gonna give it a little weight. Give a little weight on it. 3.5. It's like long and skinny. Oh wow. 3 pound even. 3 pound even. 3 pound even. Nice. That's fun. See you later, girl. Yeah. Get down in there. Woo! That is fun. They are swimming so nice right now. Damn, I almost hooked myself. Okay. Oh my god. Come on, I know you want it. Eat it. He's looking at it. Oh my god, you see the shadows right there? You guys see him? Guys see him? Right there, he's underneath my shad right now. Oh my god, 2 of them. There's 2 of them. Come on. Eat it. Oh my god, these are the same bats. Ooh, he got it. He got it. He got it. All right, I'm just gonna let him eat it. I'm just gonna let him eat it. I'm just gonna let him eat it. There we go. That's so much fun. That is so much fun. Those are the same bass that I saw when I was trying to catch shads. Oh man, that is fun. That is fun. Dude, that is awesome. God, another good one. Another good fish. Man, I need to grab my net. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. God. Get over here. Whoa. Whoa. Damn. Damn. Son. Think that is a 4-pounder. No, I don't think so. I don't know. I've been saying 4-pounder, but I don't know. So I don't know, dude, but that's a giant. Woo! That is so much fun. All right, we zoomed out. All right, let's do it again. Yep. 4-3, 4-3, you guys. 4-3, 4-pounder. Woohoo! Son! Son! Dude, that's awesome. Oh man. Dude, just catch a bunch of life shads. You're gonna catch these girls like this, man. God. That is just awesome. Woo! See you later, girl. See you later, girl. Woo! Woo! Now that, you guys, that's what you come out here for. All that hard work of catching shads. And man, oh man, it's fun to catch these guys. So much fun. Oh man, that is awesome. Saw those 2, dude, I saw that bass and the other, there's a friend with him just looking at it together on the shad and just went boom. Finally commit to it. That was so sick. I only saw 3 when I came in here, but I mean when I was catching shad, so. But man, that was awesome. The other one was just the same size as the other one, the 4-pounder. So that was a 4-pounder. This guy's another 4-pounder for sure. But man, oh man, let's catch another guy. Let's catch another one. Oh, there he is. Let him eat it. I just gotta let him take it. Let him take it. Take it as a free meal. Yeah, oh, oh, damn, broke me off. Darn, broke me off. I should have retied. My bobber's right there, but god damn. Bobber's right there, but I don't think we need a bobber because there's more in there. I thought there was only 3, but nope, there's more in there. Jesus, he broke me off. Darn. Darn, that was a good one too. I'm gonna throw this guy. A little more over there. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Damn, you got me in the weeds. Get him out of the weeds. Get out the weeds. Get out the weeds. Oh no. Come on. Get out the weeds. Get out the weeds. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, did he come off? Did he come off? Oh, he did come off. I don't see him. Oh no, he is on there. He is on there. Holy crap. Oh, oh, smallmouth. Woo. What are you doing here, smallmouth? Oh my god. Oh man, I thought it came off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was cool. These smallmouths are so aggressive. And that's a nice one. Holy smokes. Got weeds all over the place right now. Lord have mercy. God, that was aggressive. Aggressive. That's so cool. That strike was awesome. Hope you guys do that camera. Yep, the camera's on. Dude, these smallmouths are just so aggressive. That's awesome, dude. That is so sick. Whew. That is so cool, man. That is so cool. I'm gonna put a bobber on because I don't see a bobber. It's the way to do it. All right. Let's try that again, you guys. $4.14. Close in 45 minutes. Let's go to the dock because we can fish right over there and use this last shad. So we're gonna do that instead. Man, that was fun, you guys. Oh, that was so much fun. If you guys have not done shad fishing, I'll tell you guys right now, you guys should give it a shot. But this net right here, I just got this net literally yesterday. I got really lucky finding it on Facebook Market, and yeah, the guy showed me his net and it looked legit. So I was like, I bought it and I took it to the test today, and A plus, man, A plus. I still need to like kind of learn about how to catch these shads just a little bit better on this net. But it's tough to catch these shads, man. Like, it's tough. I caught about like 30 of them within like maybe an hour and a half, and it took a lot of effort for me to try to catch those shads. But I mean, like, it's got, you know, like, if the fish are not really chasing after those shads just can just go anywhere, honestly. I was trying to pin them in the shoreline and everything, but it was just so hard. So I was just throwing rocks at them just to get a little like spook on them. But in the very beginning, it was a little bit of struggle because I went to 2 spots and nothing, just little small like bass, nothing big at all. So I didn't want to waste any of my baits on the small ones, so I decided to go back into a yellow bar, and that place was lights out. Just giants everywhere. When I was trying to catch those shads, they were all on the shoreline. I saw every single big one just in there. So I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm just gonna throw over there, and guess what? And it happened. I caught those fish out in the freaking cove right there. Caught those nice sized bass and everything. With that 1 4-pounder, that was the biggest bass of the day, and that was a really good fish. And on the bobber, just seeing them blow up on the freaking top like that, just hitting grabbing your shad, or eating your shad. It's just, can't beat that, man. Like, I know like lures is always so much fun, but if I have the opportunity to catch shads, I would. It's just so much fun when you see these bass just underneath your bait, just looking at it, and all of a sudden, boom, just see a whole splash happen. You see a line just take off. You know, you just can't beat that, man. You just can't beat that kind of stuff. But it was such a great time, man. That was so much fun, and I'm so happy to get my boat back and to get my net, and to get this net. I bought this net. It's just, you can't beat that, man. Oh man, that was so much fun, man. So much fun. But anyways, guys, I'm driving home right now. It's time for me to get out of here. But as always, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys on the next one.